on how to create another TikTok account with the same phone number. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. If you are logged into an existing account, then simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the settings and privacy. Now scroll down till the bottom and tap on the logout and logout of your current account. Now on the sign up option, choose the option to sign up using your phone number. When prompted, enter your phone number, then TikTok will send you a verification code. Now all you have to do is enter the verification code sent to your phone. After verification, you'll be asked to choose a username and complete any other required steps to finish creating the new account. So, TikTok allows a phone number to be associated with more than one account. However, you may be limited to a few accounts linked to the same number. After creating the new account, you can switch between your accounts by going to your profile and tapping on the switch account. This way, you can manage multiple TikTok accounts with the same phone number. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.